Hi, welcome to fatbabamike cooking. Today I will cook Japanese soft boiled egg. Let us begin. First, we will cook the sauce first. The reason is the egg is not fully cooked, so that's why the sauce better to be cooked, and then it will be more healthy. And then first, the best way to do it is you put the all the soy sauce, all the ingredient in one measure bottle. That way is more exactly to know the total amount of the sauce you will have. If you follow my ingredient, it should not be any problem. But in case you want to cook more egg, and then you will try to times 1.5 or double the ingredient volume. So you need to see is the sauce good enough to cover all the eggs. That's why usually I will put all the ingredient in one measure bottle, then put it in to cook it. And you don't need to cook long time, as long as the sauce boil, and then you can turn off the heat. The reason is later on you need to cool it down before you can put the egg in. Otherwise the egg will be still cooking, and then it will not be soft boiled egg, and then inside will be the yolk will be fully cooked. So and then you will see my timing is a lot different than other people who teaching you. I will tell you why, so don't worry about that. And then the egg, a lot of people say they tried before, the eggs they cook is always has problem. I think first of all the cooking time. The second of all is they didn't put the egg in the ice water after they cook the egg, and then the egg they still have the heat on it, so it's still cooking after they take it out. That's why when after you cook the sauce, when you cook the egg, you need to prepare the ice water together. And then for the sauce, you can, after you cook it, you can use for the egg for 2 times. But when after you use the first time, you eat all the eggs, and you want to put the egg in again, before that you need to boil it again. That is really important. Don't use the cold one to just put the egg in. It's not good at all. And then don't use it on the 3rd time. Twice is good enough. Some people may say that's a waste, and then the 3rd time what you can do is you can cook the chicken, and then you pan fry it, and then you put this sauce in, and then you'll be soy sauce, the Japanese soy sauce chicken. It tastes good too, but if you don't know how to do it, just use it twice maximum, and then I think it's good enough. And see, now the sauce is boiled, and then I will turn off the fire and let it put on the side to cool it down before I put the egg in. Now the egg, the water just cover all the egg. That is enough. You don't need to put a lot of the water. And then now you keep boil it at high fire, and then you put some salt in. I will put about a teaspoon of the salt in there, and then when you stir it, when you mix it, either clockwise or counterclockwise, one side only. The way to do it is you make the yolk center in the egg. 2 things, first thing, when it's done, you peel the shell, it will be easier. Second of all, when you cut it in half, it will look better because the yolk will be in the center, not like on the side when you cut it. Later on, I will cut one of the egg to show you, and then you will know what happened. Like the total time is like 4 minutes and 30 seconds. When the water boils, you count it. But I only put 4 minutes. The reason is after 4 minutes, like you need to bring the ice water over and then you need to take the egg out. Those take times. So don't count it like 4 minutes, 30 seconds and then like you take it. Probably at that time it's like 5 minutes. So a lot of people like they follow the recipe. They think, okay, the people tell them it's 4 minutes and 30 seconds or 4 minutes 45 seconds. A lot of people have different recipe, but they didn't deduct the time they need to take other thing out and then take out the egg. Those time count. And then if you don't put in the ice water, the egg heat, they're still cooking inside. That's why a lot of people try and they fail. But if you follow my ingredient, it won't fail. Every time you cook 4 minutes and then take it out, like put it in the ice water, and then you cut it, it will be soft boiled egg. Inside the yolk will not be fully cooked, as same as you ate it at the ramen shop. Now I cut it and you see, like when the yolk is like stick on the knife, that means they are not fully cooked. And I give you a close look. See, they look really nice. But of course now it's like they don't have any taste. That's why we need to put them in the sauce and put in the refrigerator for over 8 hours. First you peel all the shell and then let the egg in and use a big bowl. The reason is that you use the big bowl to put the Ziploc bag, the bag open wider, more easy you put the sauce in. After you put all the sauce in, change to a small bowl. Then all the sauce and egg will stick together. Then you put in refrigerator for 8 hours and that's it. And the egg is good for 2 to 3 days only, since the middle of the part is not fully cooked, so don't put it for long. If you like my video, please give me a like, subscribe my channel and click the bell. I will see you on my next video. Bye.